All right, y'all, so you guys know I'm fired up, and you know that in the last unit, I was talking about the RAC. RAC, 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 RAC. If you've made it this far, I need you to go back in the group and post RAC, 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 like 100 times. Just post it in there, so that way we all know where you're at in your journey in watching these units. So if you remember, in step 4, we closed out our set at the gym, right? We racked the bar. RAC to me is an acronym. It's RAQ. Repeat, acknowledge, and question. So if Bob says, yeah, we put a new roof on there. Oh, wow, you put a roof on the house? That's got to be frustrating, or that can be overwhelming, whatever, right? Acknowledge it with a feeling or an emotion, and then ask a question. Man, how long ago was that? Or maybe you're trying to get your kids to pick up their room. They say, Dad, can I go outside? You want to go outside? That sounds exciting. Did you pick up your room? Right? Repeat, acknowledge, question. You'll get so much more done with that little tool. So don't forget, go in the group, post RAC, 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 so we all know where you're at on your learning journey here, and know that we're super proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself for investing this time into yourself. We'll see you in the next unit, guys.